You can get paid to drive a Tesla. Seriously. I am not talking about Tesla deals or discounts or incentives, and I'm not talking about the savings you're just gonna get from switching away from gas over to electric, but I'm talking about savings you can get and really just sort of rewards you can earn, money you can earn just by driving your Tesla like you already do. A few years ago, I teamed up with a company called DIMO and showed off their app. This was sort of an all-in-one solution that gave you total control over your vehicle, some new features that you were able to sort of get access to, plus the ability to earn rewards. And now they've just got a major overhaul and a brand new special integration with Tesla that makes this all super easy, lets you unlock new features with your Tesla, and also lets you sort of get paid and earn rewards just for driving your Tesla. And even a brand new way to earn up to $200 a year just by charging your Tesla. It doesn't get any easier than this. So I'm partnering with DIMO for this video so I can show you the ins and outs of how this works. This will work obviously with like most vehicles on the road, but for you Tesla owners, there's a little magic here, a secret sauce that makes this super, super easy and lets you again earn rewards just for driving your car like you already do. Let me show you how this works, and I'll walk you through the setup process step by step to get it all set up, because I promise you it's easy and you're gonna love it. Okay, let me back up a second first and sort of start with an overview of exactly what DIMO is, because if you haven't heard of it, it's a service that can do two really cool things, really built with vehicle owners in mind, and really for vehicle owners around the world. The first thing that it's going to allow you to do is really access a whole lot of awesome data and features with your vehicle, and especially this is nice for Tesla owners, it sort of consolidates a lot of different things in one place. For example, you can view battery information right within the app. There's trip logging, there's, like I said, different settings and controls, a bunch of really nice things right built in to the app, and you can sort of access it all in one place, super, super easy. The second awesome part to this is that you're able to sort of work with others for like the greater good and contribute data safely and securely, of course, to this platform to sort of build upon new advancements for vehicles. The beauty of this is sort of twofold. You're able to sort of work with other owners around the world and really, like I said, contribute to something awesome and help build something awesome. And also at the same time, you're getting rewarded just for driving your car like you already do. You don't have to drive 1,000,000 miles or do certain things. You just connect it to your car, you drive, and you're sort of like, I want to say saving the world, but you're really doing some awesome things for the EV community and really the broader vehicle community as a whole. And also, you're getting rewarded for it. Now, to be clear, DIMO is not selling your vehicle information. This is your vehicle information. It is safe, it's secure, and you can choose what you want to do with it. DIMO's got a couple of ways you can sort of connect your vehicle to the platform. For traditional sort of internal combustion engine vehicles, they've got this really cool sort of product that connects to the OBD port that not only connects your vehicle to the platform, but also sort of is able to like do smart diagnostics. That's super cool. But for us Tesla owners, they've actually worked with Tesla for sort of a state-of-the-art integration that lets you sync up your Tesla with the platform with a couple of simple clicks on the computer or taps with the mobile app on your phone. Again, all safe, all secure, all going through the proper Tesla channels, and lets you do some really cool things. So let me show you how to get this all set up, and you can follow along with me as I get this paired to my Model X Plaid. It'll work obviously with lots of cars on the road. Teslas, they've got this really seamless integration. I'll show you how this works. Hit the link down below to follow along. You can go with me step by step. Again, not only are you gonna earn $7 of rewards just for connecting your vehicle to the platform, but you can sort of walk with me as I do this, and I'll show you how to get this all set up, and you can start earning today, like right now. So go ahead and download the DIMO mobile app on your device, and then let's walk through the setup process here. They make this super, super easy. Even can sort of share a little splash screen of what you can expect here with the app. So first things first, you can go and create an account. You've got the option to sign in with Google, sign in with Apple. That's sort of a cool integration, or just use a traditional email address. And then we'll sort of go through the setup process here. You know, DIMO is very clear that they don't sell their data, which is nice. We're just going to agree to the terms and conditions. We're going to allow for location access, going to confirm that we are in the United States of America, though you could be in another country and confirm that. And then we're done. We're ready to go. And all we've got to do is hit add a car. You can put my referral code here where it says have a referral code. You can throw mine. My link is down below. But in this case, since I'm setting up an account, let me go ahead and add my car here. Like I mentioned, DIMO is making this super easy, and you've got two ways to go here. You can either use the DIMO device, which I'll put a link to down below. It's on the website, super easy, plugs into many vehicles, lots of vehicles compatible, and can do a lot of cool things. But in our case here, we have a Tesla, which means we have a vehicle that actually has an app. And having this app access makes things way simpler to set up. I guess it's easy with the app, the device as well, but with the Tesla integration here, there's something cool we can do. So let's go ahead and tap on this. And then again, what's so cool here is that they've got this special integration that means that they're connecting to your Tesla. And really, in my case, I can access all the vehicles on my Tesla account safely, securely. And they've got that control here directly with Tesla with the sort of, official Tesla API and official Tesla connection. So let's hit continue. I'm just going to go ahead and log into my Tesla account. And then we're back in the app, and I've got the ability to choose the different vehicles on my account. In this case here, I'm going to go with my Model X. Next, all I've got to do is hit create vehicle ID. And I'm connected. Your vehicle is now connected to DIMO. Hit OK. And now under my vehicles, I can tap on this, and I've got my 2023 Model X. And of course, for your contributions, not only are you sort of working towards a bigger goal, that's awesome, but also you can earn rewards. In this case, it's DIMO rewards. Think of this sort of like airline miles, but on steroids. There's a bunch of things you can do with these rewards, and they're working with different partners. Lots of cool things you can do here. But also, again, you don't have to do anything crazy to earn these rewards. In fact, you can earn $7 of rewards just by setting up and linking your vehicle to the platform. And you can, again, earn up to $15 a month just for doing normal driving. You don't have to log 1 million miles or jump through all these hoops. Just do what you normally do. You're contributing to something awesome, and you're earning rewards that you can do a lot of cool things with. And you're sort of getting paid and rewarded for driving your Tesla. And for us EV owners, one of the cool things as well is that there's integrations in here that allow you to sort of earn rewards by sort of managing your charging. In fact, a great example of this is an all-new integration that DIMO has got with Royal, where basically you do a couple of taps to connect your Tesla to this platform, and then you get a share of typically would be reserved for big corporations and fleets, these Verra certified carbon offsets. In fact, you can earn up to $200 annually per vehicle based on your charging activity, and even, easiest thing ever, earn $15 in DIMO token and rewards just for signing up. Takes you like 5 seconds, a couple of taps on your phone. So simple, so easy, and so awesome that DIMO is making these connections and these rewards possible. Honestly, I think one of the biggest things I noticed when I first got my Tesla was just that community feeling. Like we're all sort of enjoying this product and we're all sort of geeking out over things and giving each other tips and tricks. That has been awesome. And I think what DIMO is doing is just amplifying that in a whole new way. You're getting the opportunity not only to connect with different Tesla owners, but vehicle owners all around the world. And with, Tesla, I guess the mission is like, oh, we're sort of accelerating the adoption of EVs and, trying to push people to, cleaner energy solutions, stuff like that. All of that is well and good. But I think what's awesome with DIMO as well is that just amplified. You are working and connecting with drivers around the world to build the next generation of automotive solutions. You're not only getting access to so many cool things and controls with your vehicle, you not only get access safely and securely to all of your vehicle information and different data, but you are sort of part of this bigger mission with this platform to build these next generation solutions. You're sort of on the ground floor, and you get rewarded for this just by doing things you're already doing. So DIMO has been incredible. It's been awesome to connect my vehicle and sort of do different tests and things. Again, it's awesome also to see sort of the progression of this service just from the last couple of years when I worked with them a couple of years ago. They've got a major overhaul, all these new features. It is awesome. DIMO is amazing. And again, you get rewarded just for doing the driving you're already doing. And plus you can get some rewards for interacting with different companies in the marketplace and making referrals and stuff like that. It's really awesome and costs you nothing to get started. So if you guys want to learn more, check out DIMO for yourself today and get your own vehicle connected. Again, you've got everything to gain and win, nothing to lose. Super simple setup process, of course, and all these little features and things you can get access to. Just hit the link right down below in the description to learn more. A big thanks again to DIMO for sponsoring this video, and a big thanks to you guys for watching, and I'll keep you updated on my DIMO adventures over the next couple of weeks. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you all. I'm Robert Rosenfeld, and I'll see you all in the next